next step is to make this part. It goes right over here. Maybe I can just cut this one out. I don't know. Pretty worn thin right here. I think we'll just make a new one. So it's going to look something like this. 1/2-inch round bar. Yeah, this one's pretty worn, so might as well make a new one while we're at it. Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. Sorry about the fan in the background. It's really humid today and above 80 degrees, and so it's been welding, kind of hot here in the shop. We're going to get going on our mower project in this video, and we finished the deck in the last one. This one is all about the drive shaft. Now this drive shaft is $150 if I can still get them on for a 60-year-old mower deck, but it's $160 or $150 to order one of these. And tell you what, as much as I love this thing, I'm not spending that much money on it, especially when I don't have to. So let me zoom you in here and we'll take a look at this. Okay, so here's our shaft. The problem with it is it just has a very slight bend in it. It's really even, you can just see it wobbling there a little bit as it rolls here. And then it's undercut where the bearing went. So this is supposed to be 0.75 inches, just like this. You can see that it's definitely not. So bearing throws up, ate away at that. Plus the wobble probably helped it go. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this up, fill this up with weld bead so we can turn it down on the lathe, and then we'll take it over to the press and we'll see if we can get this little bit of wobble out of here. So first things up, go ahead and get this welded up. We know this tape is going to burn away and make a mess, but better than cleaning slag out of it. So should be plenty of buildup. Go ahead and let that cool off and go ahead and get it going on the lathe. Or straight pressing in the lathe. Alright guys, I went ahead and skipped over part of this for you. The shaft straightening, it was kind of putsy. Got it close. It's not perfect, but it's close. And I'm happy with that. So next up, we're gonna center drill the end of this. At least that's the goal here. Yeah, it's a little loose, but way better than it was. We're gonna call that good. One other thing I want to do while I have it here in the lathe where I can hold on to it easy. Whoa! Where are you guys going? Anyways, one more thing I want to do while I have it here in the lathe. And I can hold on to it easy by tossing it in back gears. I want to chase those threads. Just gotta figure out what size they be. I think they're a 3/4 10, but of course can't find my 3/4 inch 10 chaser, so this winter, when I have some free time, I'm just going to make a new shaft. So I'm going to go take a few minutes and measure this all out. You know what? I do have it here. And I got some arc marks on here. What did I do with my emery cloth? Alright guys, we're gonna make a couple of bushings here. Gonna bring this down to 3/4, put a 3/8 hole through long enough for 2 little bushings. Gentlemen, all painted up, ready to start putting it back together. We still have to finish remaking this. We got the parts made and we have to bore these out for the bushings we made. Here's the bushings. They don't quite fit. Those holes are really wallowed out, so we're just going to well, first we're going to punch that out. Old temporary bushing that I put in 20 years ago. Now we'll see if we can drill these out to 3/4 inch so our bushings fit.